having seen that car accident, and now the way that I feel, just even when I'm in the car, that now I don't even really want to get in the car. It's very stressful for me to even drive to work, but I mean, it's my job, I have to get there. But I don't really drive any other place, and I live in a community where my grocery store is right down the street and my dry cleaner, but I don't drive to go see friends. I'm just, I'm just sort of paralyzed by this fear that even though I wasn't in that car accident, that I could die in a car accident.
This is causing significant distress.
Yes. Yes, I would definitely say it's significant.
Yeah.
And
affecting your behavior.
Yeah.
The things you would normally do is changed.
Yes, I don't go anywhere other than to work. It's very stressful for me to even get to work. I don't go and see my friends. If they come see me, that's fine, but I don't really want to get in the car and drive anywhere, and I sure don't want to get in the car with somebody else.
Right.
And I've got this trip coming up.
Yeah.
My family lives just a couple hours down the road, and I need to drive home. I can't catch a flight, but I'm not even sure that I'm going to be able to go home for the holidays because I cannot imagine driving on the highway for 2 hours.
So yeah, again, it's just significantly, you've witnessed this traumatic event, which would rock a lot of people's world, and it sounds like that's what it's happening right now. And so I guess kind of at the halfway point, of this session here, I'm wondering if maybe I can just summarize a little bit what I'm understanding. You say, you're talking about feeling anxious. Okay, if I take a note or two. Oh yeah, sure. Talking about feeling this anxiety in different areas of your life. You had mentioned that the feeling anxiety and the fact that it's limiting you. You're having some thoughts about, shouldn't I be over this by now?
Yes,
and so forth.
And I wasn't even in the accident, so why am I so affected by it?
Right.
I should be over this by now.
Okay.
I shouldn't be so disruptive.
A lot of shoulds then, a lot of I should be better, why is this happening to me?
Yeah, why can't I
must be
handle
something.
it?
Okay, why can't I handle
Yes.
this? Yeah. And then, as you mentioned, the behavior is that you're no longer doing some of the things that you enjoy, and even when you are driving to work or whatever, it's very problematic. It's anxiety-provoking. You get to work and you're a wreck.
Yeah,
Sorry for the wording, but yeah.
Yeah, okay. I am. I mean, it's like I was saying, I can feel my chest tightening up, and my heart rate accelerates, and my hands are like sweating as I'm holding on to the wheel, and I can even hear the sound of like brakes squealing. They're not, but I can just hear it in my mind, and that sound of cars running into each other, and my muscles feel so tight that they could pop, and it's just even hard to swallow. I mean, it's just a struggle. Okay.
So if we can kind of see this as a little bit of a pattern, kind of a cycle that's happening, not a pattern in your life, but kind of how it's working, it seems that the anxiety, the fear, and so forth that you're feeling is causing you to question yourself and your ability to be able to function, and you're starting to kind of wonder and maybe have some thoughts that are not productive. Yeah, I feel like weak or... Yeah.